Samp mechanical engineering for air conditioning with standard geometry and through customized design. We have been leaders in air conditioning plant design and manufacture for over 30 years. We start where others stop. High quality, special attention to management costs, advanced know-how and specialization are just some of the factors that go into our air conditioning technology. We also provide customized designs and absolute Samp quality, tested by our technical staff and by continually consulting with our customers. 40 different sizes for air treatment units with bolt-on components, permanent technological updates and continuous research also make up part of our global business approach. In this way, we are always opening up new pathways. We never yield to the concept of impossible, because there are no limits on ideas. Our product range includes load-bearing structures with hollow profiles and large filters. The quality of Samp products is meticulously controlled at each stage, from the cutting of profiles to final assembly. Technology and versatility. Our units are completely safe and make use of innovative construction techniques with EC 80EX and ISO 9001 certification. Continuous research has enabled us to create a package block system for air conditioning units of record length, 8 meters. A product sold exclusively worldwide by Samp. A fan insulation system with a horizontal sliding grille. Plastic tanks reinforced with fiberglass for cooling systems and water and wear-proof moisteners with modular molds. We take care of every detail with a view to ensuring efficiency and safety. Our applications fully respond to the characteristics of large halls. This is why Samp air treatment units are widely used in a vast range of housing, industrial, chemical and pharmaceutical manufacturing applications, from hospitals to food processing plants, power stations and airports. Our references include New Exhibition Centre, Milan, 350,000 square meters of indoor exhibition space, more than 300 air conditioning units for a total of 11 million cubic meters per hour, including 108 units of 55,000 cubic meters per hour on the delivery side and 48,000 cubic meters per hour pickup, with package application for outdoors installed in 100 days without interrupting normal operations. The first machine in each series was tested on site to SMA CNA, EN 1886, EN ISO 96142 and ISO 2372 standards for capacity, mechanical engineering strength, seal, noise and vibrations respectively. The new Malpensa Airport, Milan, 80 air conditioning units of 72,000 cubic meters per hour each, with dual conduit and fans, conditioning a total of 6 million cubic meters per hour of air. All the machines were assembled on site. The new Marco Polo Airport, Venice. 22 air conditioning units with package setup for a total of 750,000 cubic meters per hour of air, complete with settings, plant and electrical control boards with inverters, as well as hot and cold water connections and pre-assembled valves. Royal Bank of Scotland. 44 air conditioning units for the Edinburgh Data Centre, cooling 1 million cubic meters per hour of air, including soundproofing and vertical design. The first unit was factory tested for performance. ST Microelectronics Agrate Brianza. 18 air conditioning units for the clean room made entirely of stainless steel, cooling 1.5 million cubic meters per hour of outside air. Each unit was individually tested to EN 1886 standards for the mechanical engineering strength of the casing, an airtight casing, checking the heat transfer coefficient of the casing and the coefficient of the temperature difference of the casing in accordance with these same standards. The installation included helical fans, dual suction centrifuges with directly coupled motors and centrifugal fans with freestanding impeller and finned profile. Companies the world over contact Samp for their air conditioning needs. Only ideas make a business successful. At Samp, ideas are the result of a healthy curiosity about the world and how to improve it. Samp. Research and quality to meet the toughest air conditioning challenges.